guys, how are your Christmas decoration going? You have everything done? In the case you're still looking for easy and cheap decoration ideas, this is the place. Hello, my name is Canon and welcome to Expression, the DIY channel. Hope everybody's doing well and enjoy this special month because it's Christmas month. This is the time when you start to take your Christmas craftability out of the closet and start to decorate home and make it look fancy and prancy. I'm pretty sure there are certain people who think like me. Instead of buying an ornament, a Christmas ornament in any shop, you can save that money and create your own Christmas DIY. If you pay attention to YouTube, there are thousands of Christmas DIY ideas that you can make it at home. However, we make a lot of excuses not to do it or not to try. Probably because you don't feel motivated, or maybe you don't have the materials, or you don't have the money to buy the materials, or maybe it's a high-level DIY, who knows? Well, let's forget all excuses and I invite you to watch this DIY. I'm pretty sure that after this video you will change your mind and you would like to try. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate a Christmas wreath, but this won't look like a conventional wreath. Because this time we're going to use all Christmas decoration that we have at home, but also recycled material. So let's start to recycle. And the pistachio flowers from the last video. By the way, if you haven't watched the video yet, I highly recommend you to watch it right after this video, and I will leave the link in the description box below. And let's get to it.
For this DIY we will need a straw wreath or any you have at home, a garland or pieces of a garland, the pistachio shell flowers from the last video, Christmas bubbles, or any ornaments you have at home like the Christmas rattles. These leaves made with jute fabric that I will show you how to do it. Jute string balls that today I'm going to show you how to do it in a tutorial. Different dried seeds like star anise, pistachio shells, pine cones, good balls so you can replace them with the avocado seeds. Silicone glue, I'm using the liquid one but you can use the hot silicone gun. And some tweezers and pliers. For this tutorial we will need a piece of jute cloth. We will proceed to fold it in four and put it in a container where we will apply the white glue all around till it gets soaked wet. You can add some water to spray the glue around. Once it's done we will open and hang it to get dry. Once it's dry we will stretch it and trace a leaf template on the cloth and then cut it out. Then apply clear glue in the borders and add some glitter. Once it's all ready, apply fixative varnish spray to protect the leaves. Let's roll the jute yarn around the two fingers to create the balls. Try to roll it equally to avoid bumps. When it's done, let's stick the end of the string with a little bit of silicone. To make pom-poms, we will use a white ball of wool. We will start to work from the yarn, using a fork, but first let's cut a piece of wool and put it aside. Let's start to roll the wool around the fork till you make 40 rounds. This will depend on the size of the pom-pom you would like. Then take the extra piece of wool and tie it from the middle very strong. Take the fork out of the pom-pom, then cut the sides of the pom-pom to open it all. Use a fine metal brush to make it fluffy. Use your hands to make it rounded and use the scissors to cut extra hair. We will use a white acrylic paint. Use a brush to spray the white paint around on the pines and then on the rest of the ornaments. But try to do it softly. You can use a sponge to get a better effect. Then apply clear glue on the paint spots and add the glitter.
Bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
And voila! What do you think about this Christmas DIY? Isn't it wow? And only with recycled materials and all ornaments. Who would say that we could create something cool like Christmas ornaments with only seeds? So are you ready to start your Christmas decoration? I invite you to start. Hope you liked the video, guys, and if you did, please give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends and in your social media, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos about art and craft. Take care of yourself and see you next time. Bye!
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.